Hello everyone, welcome back to Inkscape tutorial, and in this part I will teach you how to save our file in Inkscape. So, to save our file, first you have to click on File here, and then click Save As to save our file for the first time. And then you will see a window that looks like this. Type your file name, select the place you want to save your file, for example desktop, and then click Save. Or you can also press Ctrl-Shift-S from your keyboard to save your file for the first time. And after you saved it for the first time, the next time you want to save it, you can just click the Save or Ctrl-S from your keyboard. This one. Let me show you. So we click File and then Save As and then type the name like tutorial. Then click Save. Okay, so pay attention here that the name of the file will change to tutorial. And the next time you want to save your file, just click File and then Save. And it is saved automatically. Okay, so this is how we can save our file. See you on the next tutorial.